Hello guys, welcome back again to my English comprehension exercise. This is a listening exercise that I want you guys to do. It's a short story I am going to read to you. I'm going to read slowly, I'm going to read clearly so you can try to understand the words in the lesson. Pause the video. I will have the subtitles there for you to look at. If you do not recognize a word or understand a word, pause the video and look at the word up in one of your dictionaries, okay? And as always, guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. It's very important so you can get that next important lesson on my beginner series. But this is a short listening exercise in English. This story is called The Bone in the Throat. The Bone in the Throat. Listen to this story. Once upon a time, there was a lazy wolf living in a jungle. Near his home was a pond, a lake, a little pond. Many animals came to the pond to drink the water. The wolf was always in search of food. One day, he was sitting near the pond, hoping to get something to eat or to catch something to eat, when suddenly he spotted a dead bull, a dead calf. "Ah, what luck I'm having today," said the wolf. "Now I can eat all I want." He thought, and his mouth was starting to water. His mouth was watering because he saw this large animal laying there for him to eat. He began to eat the bull. A thought struck him. If another beast comes this way, he will ask for me to share this meat. I had better eat it fast. So the wolf began to eat the meat very fast, eating very fast this meat. He chewed faster and faster and faster. In his haste, a piece of bone got stuck in his throat. Cried the wolf. He began to choke. He tried to bring it out of his mouth. He tried to cough it out, but in vain. Next, he tried to swallow it down, but he failed. He tried to swallow this bone down in his throat, but he failed. "Oh, the bone is in my throat. It hurts. What shall I do now?" thought the wolf. Suddenly, he remembered that a bird crane, lived on the nearby riverbank near the pond. The wolf went to the crane and pleaded, "My dear crane, I have got a bone stuck in my throat. I will give you a present if you pull it out of my throat with your long beak." The crane took pity on the wolf. He asked the wolf to look up with his mouth wide open. The crane then put its head into the wolf's mouth and pulled out the bone with his long beak. "Oh," said the wolf. "Oh, what a relief," the wolf replied. "Now, where's my present?" asked the crane bird. "What present?" the wolf replied, pretending he was not aware of his promise. The crane said, "You said you would give me a present if I removed the bone from your throat." "Ah, is it not a present that you put your head into my mouth and got out alive? I could have easily crushed your head while your beak was inside my mouth, said the ungrateful wolf, and he went away. The crane felt helpless and decided not to help any ungrateful creature in the future. So that's the short listening exercise today in English, guys. I hope you understood this reading. If not, review it often, listen to it often. Also pause the video with some of the words there that's going to be in subtitles in English and try to understand the words. This is one way that I get my students to understand the English language. We do a lot of reading and comprehension of small stories and texts for their comprehension. Again, guys, please like my page and hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so you will not miss the next exciting lesson in English. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you during the next English exercise.